If you grow plants or flowers in your garden, that means you're also growing bugs. And one of the most common pests are aphids. Now, you could use chemicals or pesticides to treat this infestation, or you could try something natural. And one way to get rid of bugs is to use other bugs, or in this case, ladybugs. And we're going to try that solution out in this video. You can order live ladybugs online through eBay or Amazon. Inside the box was a little sachet pouch with 200 live ladybugs, or at least that's what I ordered. Now, I'm not going to bother counting them, even if I could. They're all moving, crawling around in this little plastic sachet, and they all seem to be pretty healthy. The instructions were pretty simple. It just said to shake the contents of the pouch onto your infected plants on a sunny, warm day. Put them...
Try not to squish them.
Yeah.
I think I'll just put them on a branch. Just shake them out. They'll be fine.
Try to shake them out around different parts.
Where you're not squishing a bug, just let it go.
In different parts.
Over here on this side. I think they're falling.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's how they're doing.
So I know it's a little vague. About half of the ladybugs just fell straight onto the ground. Some of them landed onto leaves and whatnot. The hard part is that many of the ladybugs didn't want to get out of the bag, so eventually we ended up pulling out the little piece of newspaper that was inside of the bag and trying to individually, with our fingers, put them onto buds and branches and leaves. We eventually managed to shake most of the ladybugs out into the infected bush. The few that were left inside of the sachet, well, I just hung the sachet on a branch, and I tried to individually place some of the ladybugs onto the more infected buds and leaves on the hibiscus. So the very next day, we took a look at the hibiscus bush, and there were a few ladybugs there, but most of them were gone. I don't know if they flew away or got eaten by birds or whatnot. Let me know in the comments if you think I did something wrong here, but yeah, I don't know if this was a great success or not. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. But if you're interested in these ladybugs, I've included product links as well as more info in my full written review, and you can find a link to that article in this video's description. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and notification bell button. So, thanks. Moondog, out. Hey, I'd like to know what you thought of this video. Leave me a comment or chat with me on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, MeWe, Instagram, or Locals. And if you want to see all of my videos, go to moondogindustries.com.